Please listen. Step by step, I am going to lead you into completing with your past life memory. Listen. Past life memories can be opened for many purposes. To know the information, just for fun, to complete with the patterns with which you are suffering from the past life. I strongly feel non-vegetarian food style is a disease which you bring from past life. If somebody is eating plastic, how it is considered eating disorder? So non-vegetarian food lifestyle should be declared as a disorder. Many of the patterns you brought from the past life with which you are struggling. To complete that, I am opening your past life. Listen. You will see some of the facts, incidents, scenes, visions related to past, but my purpose is not letting you know. My purpose is letting you complete. So even if you see, don't too much get attracted towards it. All of you understand? So pick up your Atmalinga, put it on your Swadhisthana, means lower abdomen. Lower abdomen is the area where the past life memories are recorded. Then I will lead you into completion. Just put the Atmalinga. On the cloth you can put. Just on the cloth is okay. Just have it on the cloth. The lower abdomen. Put your Atmalinga in the lower abdomen area. Close your eyes and sit straight. Inhale and exhale as deeply as possible and as slowly as possible.
Garuda Vahana Narayana 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 Nityananda Narayana Nityananda Narayana.
Past life. The intense incompletions be activated in everyone. These four patterns: hunger, anger, sex, and violence. Please listen. Lust will come under violence. Lust is actually nothing but deciding to conquer. If you are interested in sharing, it should be called romance. When you are deciding to conquer, it is lust. So lust comes under violence. These four major patterns, I'll repeat again: hunger, feeling hungry, eating; anger, the way you respond, overreact. When some of your vested interests are touched, in villages, even the street dogs will mark their boundary. And this fellow will be lying down in one corner of the house, but his area, any other dog enters, he knows from lying down in his house inside the courtyard, he will be "Urr, urr." I have seen. From here he will start. No way he can see, but just by his smell. That anger, fear, lust, which is form of violence. All these four major patterns comes from past life. Even little completion on these patterns brings tremendous subtle joys in your life. When I say subtle joy, small things will bring so much joy. Even small things will bring so much joy. You may not need too much to be joyful. Not needing, please understand, having the inner space which does not need too much to be joyful is aparigraha. Having the inner space which does not need too much to be happy is aparigraha. Even little completion with these past life patterns brings tremendous joy in the life. People ask me again and again, man by his nature, monogamous or polygamous? By his nature he is polygamous, but by his reality he is monogamous. Understand? There is a big difference. Nature means the flow of pattern. Reality means his original state. When you complete with this pattern of conquering, the violence-based lust, suddenly you will have so much of clarity. Every small thing will look with so much romance. One of the major problem the family institution is facing in the developed countries, the middle age crisis, boredom which comes during the middle age, breakups, divorces, that major problem can be addressed just by this one completion. Just this one completion can, please understand, changing the persons will never be a solution, because after maximum a man can change 10 persons. By 10th you will know even changing the persons is one more pattern. And it is not that you are excited, you are inspired, you are feeling the love or life. Neither changing the person is solution, nor living the middle age crisis is a solution. The middle age crisis. In that middle age crisis, the whole love, excitement, everything has disappeared. You are together just for the sake of society or some other reason. Young man married a elderly widow. She was just bragging, showing her palace, saying, but for my money, this furnitures will not be there. But for my money, this painting will not be there. But for my money, these vessels will not be there. He said, but for your money, even I will not be here. So maybe the divorce has not happened for some other reason. Neither that is a solution. This one completion. But actually this completion can happen only after you do so much of completion. You need to complete with your fears, you need to complete whatever you gathered in this life. You need to complete with so many things which you gathered in this life. That is, after so many days of completion with various things, I am leading you into the completion with past life. You have to complete with this life everything. But I tell you, this one completion can bring tremendous love and excitement back into life. Hunger will eat, you won't eat. Fear will decide to fight or flight, you will not be bothered. Romance will decide to share or not, you will not be bothered. That is what I call the life of untouched. What Krishna calls us, Samatvam Yoga Uchyate. The completion, uniting yourself with the ultimate. This four is the core patterns which you bring from your past. I am going to reverse you and push you into your past and make you relive these four patterns in your animal body. Choose any animal. Get into that body After a few minutes, suddenly you will see the animal you have chosen will be forgotten, some other animal will manifest. Any animal manifests. Live in that animal body. For example, if the lion is what is manifesting in you, relive the hunger of lion. If a lion becomes hungry, he doesn't feel the hunger in the stomach, he feels throughout the body. He gets agitated and destroys everything around him. He jumps on the tree, attacks everything which he can. When he gets violent, he does not attack only the enemy. Anything comes in front of him, finished. When he becomes lusty, the whole body radiates the lust. The whole body radiates the lust. Hunger, anger, fear, lust. Relive all these four patterns in that animal body. What will happen? Any pattern left out in your present nervous system will be flushed, I tell you. This is the real acid wash. The toxic mental setup and the fluoride, the little bit remaining toxins which is sitting in your nervous system and toxic mental setup sitting in your mental system, whole thing will be flushed out. It's a complete cleaning of septic tank. So it is complete cleaning of the septic tank you carry on your head. It's an acid wash of the septic tank. And I tell you, you will become so much loving and romantic. You will become so much joyful and sharing when you come out of this acid wash.